Good day everyone. My name is Rosel Vismanos, VSM1 Section 5, and today I'll be demonstrating my fitness warm-up routine. My fitness goals for today are to improve my cardiovascular endurance, increase flexibility, and prepare my body for physical activity safely and effectively. Before starting any exercise, I first need to check my resting heart rate. To do this, I place 2 fingers on my wrist or neck and count my pulse for 15 seconds. Then, I will begin my arm circles, neck rotations, leg swings, high knees. Warming up is very important before exercising because it prepares the body for movement and helps prevent injuries. It gradually increases the heart rate, improves flexibility, and allows the muscles and joints to move more efficiently. Warming up also improves performance because the body becomes more ready for physical activity. That concludes my warm-up routine. Thank you for watching.
Pagpasok mo pa lang, gumalaw ang gabi.